Drop off. Drop off. Means to take someone, usually a child, to school and leave there. For example, I drop my kids off at school every morning. Mom and Dad drop me off at school every morning. Pick up. Pick up. Means to collect someone, often a child, from school. For example, I'll pick up the kids from school at 3 p.m. today. She usually picks her daughter up from school every day. Get on. Get on. Means to board or enter the school bus. For example, I watch my child get on the bus every morning. Kids get on the school bus at the corner. Catch up on. Catch up on. Means to study or do schoolwork to make up for missed lessons or assignments. For example, I need to catch up on my math homework. Students need to catch up on history readings. Look forward to. Look forward to. Means to anticipate with excitement or pleasure. For example, I look forward to going to school tomorrow. I look forward to learning more about art during our museum visit.
Show up. Show up. Means to arrive or appear at school or a class. For example, you should always show up on time for your lesson. I must show up early for the school assembly tomorrow. Tune in. Tune in. Means To pay attention and actively participate in a class or lecture. For example, don't miss out. Tune in for the history lecture at 3 p.m. The best way to learn is to tune in and absorb the content. Dropout. Dropout means to leave school or a course of study before completing it. For example, they made a brave choice to drop out and chase their dreams. She decided to drop out of college and pursue a career in music. Bunk off. Bunk off. Means to deliberately miss school or classes without permission. For example, they decided to bunk off school to go to the playground. Teens sometimes bunk off class to hang out at the mall. Sleep in. Sleep in means to stay in bed later than usual, after resulting in being late for school. For example, I had to rush to school because I slept in this morning. My alarm didn't work, so I accidentally slept in today. Run late. Run late means to behind schedule and in danger of arriving late to school. For example, I ran late this morning because of heavy rain. I hate when I run late for the bus, it's so stressful.